Alright, what's up, guys? This is gonna be my first video. It's gonna be about us hitting the shooting range, getting some practice in. It's gonna be my brother, my pop's friend, and then myself. You know, when we was little, we was good at shooting. It's been a while since we gone. That's why we hitting the range now, getting some practice in. If you gonna every day carry, I cannot stress it enough. You gotta put some practice in. You cannot carry your gun and just not practice, you know? And I'm still getting used to being behind the camera. So I'm learning to make sure I check the firearm is empty on camera. That way y'all can see it's empty. I know it's empty, but y'all don't. And I know y'all gonna be in the comments, doing all that. I don't need that. I'm gonna just try to get straight to the point, do the best I can. And over the years, I'm gonna get better. But yeah, this a Glock 23 Gen 4 slide on a Gen 3 frame. And I don't know why I did it like that, but I just got it like that, you know what I'm saying? I got a clip on it for, everyday carry. But yeah, this is empty. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Yeah, it's a Glock 23 chambered in 40. Yeah, this a nice little gun. Pointing in the same direction. Yeah, gotcha. Hey, stay tuned. We do gun reviews, gun shows, accessories, 80% questions. I build a lot of 80%s, and one of them has gone wrong. I'm just going to show you a couple of them. This is just one of them right here. Flawless. And I'm going to just, I got a couple more. There's a 10 mil right here. I'm going to do reviews on these coming up, so stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and just, if you fucking with me, stay with the movement, man. Alright, guys, we're here at the gun range. Practice a couple shots. Not too bad, not too bad. Ha! Definitely gotta work on my aim, though. Been way too long since we hit the range. Way too long, yeah. So we going everyday carry, man. It's mandatory. It's though that you come out here and practice your aim. We are here just at the range, indoor range, couple lanes, filled with a couple people. Be outside. Stay tuned. Gun range video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, we just having a little bit of fun out here, just shooting the guns. Some of them are jamming, some of them not. But at the end of the day, it's just all fun. Some people gonna be mad in the comments, some people gonna be supportive. At the end of the day, I really don't care. We just gonna keep doing our thing. And if you new, welcome to the channel. Appreciate you guys taking your time watching. And let's get to it. We're gonna be a Glock 19 380. Engraved slide, burnt bars, engraved slide, black steel sights, 17 round mag, FSJs. We'll get to it. So far so good. Look like we running out of oil. She need to be lubed up. She not wet. She not wet, y'all. Yeah, you guys can see. She needs a little bit of oil. Way too dry. We're gonna try a P80 Glock 26. It's a 5 precision 9mm. It's a 5 precision barrel chambered in 9mm. Sorry about that. Alright, so guys, we're gonna be moving to the Security 9. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys cop one? You know, we got this one for a really crazy deal. It's your thumb on top.
la distancia que y pegué. Clean.
¿Cuántos?
¿Sí viste a la distancia que estaba yo ahorita? Pegué 5, mira. 3. A ver, Chepo.
Alright, so I want to thank whoever made it to the end of the video. Go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to, comment, and as well hit that subscribe button. It really helps out.